Subliminal Sounds for Weight Loss Made Easy by Richard Nongard, subliminalscience.com. People ask me all the time, can subliminal recordings help a person to lose weight? As a tool for reinforcing the decisions that you've made to eat healthy and increase your activity level, subliminal recordings can help you accomplish your goals. Eating patterns are often lifelong habits, and by changing the underlying subconscious beliefs and replacing them with healthy beliefs, you can go a long way in experiencing success. Subliminal sound files contain repetition. For decades, you've repeated unhealthy beliefs about food and exercise. Perhaps you've said to yourself something like, I can eat until stuffed tonight because I'm going to change tomorrow. Or perhaps you've said to yourself, I deserve to eat however much I want, even if it is unhealthy. Or perhaps you have repeated to yourself what has been taught to many children, I must eat until everything is gone, or I will be bad. The idea behind listening to this recording each and every day for 21 days is to begin a pattern of creating repetition with healthy beliefs and healthy self-talk. This recording contains many affirmations, all designed to challenge old patterns of belief and replace them with new patterns of belief. This recording contains many affirmations, and some of these you will hear consciously, and others only subconsciously. They are written in first person because these are things that I am not telling you, but rather things that you are telling yourself. Just by taking the action of listening to this recording, you've already taken the next step. Some of the affirmations in the subliminal sound file include, I am in control of my body. I simply eat until full, and then I can stop. I enjoy eating healthy foods. I walk more each day. I respect my body. I listen to my body. Each and every day, I am becoming slimmer and slimmer. As you listen to the rest of this recording, allow yourself to enjoy these affirmations and let them and the additional affirmations become a part of who you are.